Hello students, welcome back. This is my 16th class on the topic hydrocarbons. In our previous class, we were discussing about structure of alkene. Alkene the structure study ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಯಾವ ತರ hybridization ಇರುತ್ತೆ alkynes ಯಾವ ತರ hybridization ಇರುತ್ತೆ alkynes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ದು and how the orbitals will overlap. We have studied that in our last class. In today's class, let us start with preparation of alkyne. Preparation. Among this preparation, first method is we have to learn two methods of preparation of alkyne. First method is from calcium carbide. From calcium carbide. So what will happen? This calcium carbide, it involves mainly three steps. First is we have to prepare calcium carbide from quicklime. Quicklime is prepared by calcium carbonate. In first step, calcium carbonate CaCO3 will dissociate to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. This is calcium oxide is nothing but quicklime. Okay. In next step, this quicklime will react with carbon or coke. CaO quicklime will react with coke to form CaC2. This is calcium carbide. Calcium carbide plus carbon monoxide. Calcium carbide, there are 3 carbon atoms, so 3C. Okay. In the next step, this calcium carbide will react with water. CaC2 will react with water to form CaOH twice plus C2H2. This is the reaction. So what happened? ನಮಗೆ calcium carbide ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. We have prepared that calcium carbide from calcium oxide. ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೈಡ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ calcium oxide is prepared by calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It will dissociate to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. When you treat this calcium oxide or quicklime with carbon or coke, it will give calcium carbide. Calcium carbide on treatment with water will give you calcium hydroxide and this is ethyne. CH triple bond CH ಅದನ್ನೇ C2H2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೈಡ್. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಕಾರ್ಬೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ 3 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ calcium carbide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide and ethyne. This is one method of preparation. Next is from vicinal dihalides. Second method is from vicinal dihalides. From vicinal dihalides. So what are vicinal dihalides? If halogen is present on adjacent carbon atom, then they are called as vicinal dihalides. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ vicinal glycols ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ alkenes ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So this vicinal dihalides, that means halogens will be present on adjacent carbon atom like this CH, Br, Br. When you treat this vicinal dihalides, ethane 1,2 dibromoethane, 1,2 dibromoethane. This is the compound. When you treat this vicinal dihalide with alcoholic solution of KOH, when you treat this vicinal dihalide with alcoholic KOH, dehydrohalogenation will take place. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? dehydrohalogenation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You will get CH So dehydrohalogenation means one hydrogen, halogen. Hydrohalic acid will be removed. So you will get the product CH2. Now I got bromoethene. When you treat this with sodamide, if you treat this with sodamide NaNH2, now elimination of one bromine and one hydrogen will take place. Again NaBr will be eliminated once and another NH3 will be eliminated. Here also dehydrohalogenation will take place. Dehydrohalogenation means removal of one hydrogen and one halogen, which leads to the formation of CH triple bond CH. Both the cases we got ethane, that is alkyne, as a final product. So this is preparation of alkyne. How will you prepare alkyne? That it involves mainly two methods. First one is from calcium carbide. When you treat calcium carbide with water, treatment of calcium carbide with water will give you ethyne or alkyne. Here if you treat vicinal dihalides with alcoholic potash, dehydrohalogenation will take place to give alkene, which on treatment with sodamide will give you corresponding alkyne. In sigate nimge corresponding alkyne sigate. Okay, this is about preparation of alkynes. Next is physical properties. Physical properties of alkynes. Physical properties. So first three, here also it also follows the same procedure as alkenes. First three members are gases. Next 8 members are, up to 8 members are liquids, and higher members are solids. And they are colorless in nature. They are colorless. Ethyne has characteristic odor. Only ethyne has characteristic odor. Other members are odorless. All the members are colorless. Only ethyne has odor, that is its own odor. Other members are odorless. Okay. So melting point, boiling point, everything and density increases with increase in molecular weight. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, higher members ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗೆ melting point ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, boiling point will also increases and your density will also increase. This is some thing about physical properties. Next let us start with chemical properties. Important thing, important part is chemical properties. Chemical properties. So it will show acidic nature and it will form undergo addition reaction and polymerization reaction. These are the main three things which we are going to study. First one is acidic nature of alkynes, second one is addition reaction and polymerization reaction. First is acidic nature. Acidic nature. So this alkynes, they will react with sodium metal or with sodamide to liberate hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas will be liberated, but your ethene or alkene or alkanes, they will not undergo these reactions. If I treat ethyne with sodium or sodium metal, it will liberate hydrogen gas. But ethene and ethane cannot do this. Why? Why this is so? This liberation shows that it is acidic in nature. They will liberate hydrogen easily. They donate H+ ions. What is the reason for this? See, in case of ethynes, in case of, let me take ethyne as example. Ethyne, carbon will undergo sp hybridization. In case of ethene, carbon will undergo sp2 hybridization. In case of ethane, the hybridization of carbon is sp. So what will happen as the s character increases, the carbon will become more and more electronegative. Here S character is 50%. It has 50% S character, which is more, sorry, this is sp3, okay, which is more if you compare all these three things. Here it is 25%, here it will be around 32%, I think, 32 point something percent or 34 point something percent. Here it has S character, in case of ethynes or alkynes, S character is 50%. As the S character increases, electronegativity also increases. As S character increases, electronegativity also increases. Electronegativity also increases. Increase in S character leads to increase in electronegativity. Electronegativity increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It can easily pull the electrons towards itself. If you consider ethyne, it contains C triple bond C H. Here carbon undergoes sp hybridization, so it will be electronegative. It withdraws the shared pair of electrons in this bond towards itself. ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನ ತನ್ನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಎಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದೀಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್. H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಯಾನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ in case of ethene and ethane that is not possible, because electronegativity difference ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. It will be less compared to ethyne or alkyne, so it is difficult to liberate hydrogen, or it is difficult to liberate H plus ion. H plus ion na easy agi donate madak agalla for ethene and ethane. Ethynes can easily donate H plus ions because of electronegativity difference. This becomes more electronegative because of high amount of S character in them. S character ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will become electronegative and it can easily donate this protons ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This was found by the reaction of this ethyne with sodium or sodium sodamide. For example, if I take the reaction like this, CH triple bond CH, if I treat it with sodium, what will be the product? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, one hydrogen will be replaced by sodium. Sodium will replace one hydrogen. Monosodium ethynide will be formed. CH triple bond C minus Na plus. This is monosodium ethynide plus half H2. One hydrogen, so half H2. Okay. So if I treat this monosodium ethynide CH triple bond C minus Na plus with one more sodium. So this sodium now will replace this hydrogen. So you will get the product C Na triple bond C minus Na plus C minus Na plus disodium ethynide plus half H2. So this is a reaction. It can easily react with them. The thing is that not in alkynes, any alkynes, all the hydrogen atoms are not acidic. Only the hydrogen atoms which are present next to, which are attached to carbon containing triple bond are acidic. Remember this? All the hydrogen atoms in alkyne are not acidic. The hydrogen which is attached to carbon containing triple bonds are only acidic in nature. For example, if I take propine like this, CH3 C triple bond CH, and if I treat it with sodium, what will happen? How many hydrogen atoms are there? 3 plus 1, 4 hydrogen atoms are there. So all these hydrogen atoms are acidic? No. What I have told, the hydrogen which is attached to carbon containing triple bond is only acidic. This carbon is not attached to triple bond, so these are not acidic in nature. Only this hydrogen is acidic in nature, so only this can be replaced. So it forms CH3 C triple bond C minus Na plus. Okay, so this is the reaction. Only hydrogen attached to carbon containing triple bond are acidic in nature. Not all the hydrogens in alkyne. ಇದು ಅಲ್ಕೈನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್, ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ದರ್ ಫೋರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ನೇಚರ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಈಥೇನ್, ಈಥೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಥೈನ್, ಈಥೈನ್ಸ್ CH triple bond CH, these are more acidic than CH2 double bond CH2, which are more acidic than CH3 single bond CH3. As that means double bond or pi bonds decreases, number of pi bonds decreases, acidic character also decreases. If you consider like this, CH triple bond CH, this is more acidic than CH3 C triple bond CH. So why? Because here there are two acidic hydrogen, but here there is only one acidic hydrogen. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದೇ acidic hydrogen ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. This carbon which is attached to triple bond does not contain any hydrogen, so it contains only one acidic hydrogen. If you consider butane, CH3 C triple bond C CH3, its acidic character is very less, because there is no acidic hydrogens on carbon attached to hydrogen bond. Okay, this is acidic character of ethyne or alkynes. In case of alkynes, hydrogen attached to carbon which contains carbon-carbon triple bond are acidic in nature. Because of presence of sp hybridization or p hybridization, S character will be more, which gives more electronegativity for carbon, which can easily withdraw the electron towards itself, which leads to the easy liberation of H plus ion. H plus ion ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ addition reaction. Addition reactions. Addition reaction. Addition reactions of alkynes. These alkynes will undergo addition reaction. ನೀವು ಈ ಅಲ್ಕೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಡಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಡಿಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಅಲ್ಕೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಆಟ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್. ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ hydrogen, same reaction as in case of alkenes. alkenes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಹೇಗೆ, CH triple bond CH, alkynes will react with hydrogen in the presence of platinum, palladium or nickel catalyst. Platinum or palladium will catalyze the reaction at lower temperature. Nickel will catalyze the reaction. It requires higher temperature for the catalyzation of this reaction. Okay. So what will happen? One hydrogen will be attached to this carbon atom and another hydrogen will be attached to this carbon atom. This gives CH2 double bond CH2. If you treat this ethyne with one more molecule of H2 in the presence of same catalyst, platinum, palladium or nickel, it gives CH3, CH3. So this is the reaction, addition reaction. There are many more reactions. These are very simple reactions. Let us continue in next class. Same addition reaction, addition of halogens and other reaction, polymerization reactions are there, addition of water. They are all, let us study, continue in next class. Thank you.